In this video, I'm going to show how to move, rotate, and scale objects. In this level, I already have a robot and a victory position, but I don't have any walls yet. So let's go to the floors and walls section and create a simple wall, like this. I can of course move this wall like this, but if I also want a wall on the side, I'm going to have to create a new wall, and now I want to rotate it. In the top left, I can see the rotate tool. So let's click that and rotate it like this. Then I want to make it a little bit longer, so I'm going to go to the scale tool. That allows me to scale it like this. Now I actually want to scale it only in this direction at this point, for which I can use the extend tool, which allows me to extend it, but only one side at a time. And now in order to move it to this corner, I'm just going to move it using the move tool again. Perfect. Besides using all these tools to move, rotate, and scale it, I can also take a look here on the left where it says position, rotation, and scale. And as I can see, these are the numbers that indicate the exact position, rotation, and scale of this object. For example, if I set this back to 0, I can see my object move back to 0. Of course, for now, I'll move it back to 0.5. Now what I want to do is I want to duplicate this wall and move it over to the other side. So I can go to Edit, Duplicate, and again I can use the Move tool to move it to the other side. But if I want to have it perfectly symmetrical, I can also just change this to -0.5, which places it perfectly on the other side. Let's take a look. Yep, that looks great. And I can again duplicate this and move it over here, which again I can use either the move tool or I can change the number over here. Remember, when you finish your work, hit the save button.